So this is one of our new ranges, the Rejuvenation Range, and this is an intensive anti-aging range. So in this range we've got an anti-aging cream, we've got a hyaluronic acid gel for that extra boost on the skin, and we've got a cleansing cream. So if I just tell you a little bit about the Rejuvenation Range, the oils that we're using now in our products are organic macadamia, which is very high in fatty acids, but particularly omega-7, the palmitoleic acid. There aren't many oils that contain palmitoleic acid, and this is great for the skin. Apricot kernel has a good balance of omega-6 fatty acids. And grapeseed oil, a lot of companies do use grapeseed oil, excuse me, but the organic one is very expensive, so not many products use the organic. But we do, and it has a very high percentage of fatty acids in it. We're using organic rose water as the base of these products. So this is very anti-inflammatory, very soothing, and it smells lovely, very calming, relaxing. We've changed the organic essential oil blend to bergamot, mandarin and frankincense, which gives a wonderful aroma. And as I said, we're using plant-based extracts for their vitamin and fatty acid content, so I'll tell you what they are as we go along. We're now using compounds to preserve our products, which do have a preservative-free status claim on them. They're plant-based products used for their antimicrobial properties, and that gives us this preservative-free status. And we're using lots of hyaluronic acid in this particular range. So this is the Rejuvenation Anti-Aging Cream. So one of the star ingredients really is the pomegranate oil, the organic pomegranate oil, which is rich in omega-5, so another fatty acid that's needed for the skin, but it's only in pomegranate oil. This is a natural antioxidant, so it protects your skin from premature aging, and it promotes growth and regeneration of the epidermis, stimulates collagen. And also another ingredient which is solely from pomegranate oil is ellagic acid. And this is a natural phenol antioxidant, so it protects and brightens the skin. And more of pomegranate later. Chris is going to talk about pomegranate and all the benefits of pomegranate later, as well as it being in the skin cream. We've got an organic rosehip seed extract, which has a high content of vitamin A and vitamin C, and a high content of omega-3 fatty acid. And I think we know from our study of collagen production that vitamin A and C feature very highly in the production of collagen. So the cleansing cream that is part of this range. This is a really gentle cleanser. We don't use any harsh detergents. We use organic castor seed oil to lift impurities from the skin. But it's a very effective cleanser as well. But it's very moisturising and replenishing, so we don't want to strip the skin while we're cleansing it. We want to add in extra moisture. So we use the macadamia, apricot, shea butter and cocoa butter to get a really moisturising feel while you're cleansing. The hyaluronic acid gel, this is a boost of hyaluronic acid. We do have hyaluronic acid in the anti-aging cream, but this is an extra boost to go underneath it should you need that. I think we all do. So hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring substance in the skin. It's a naturally occurring glycosaminoglycan substance, and this is the main component of the skin structure. It has the ability to bind water, and therefore it intensely hydrates the skin. So by doing that, it reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and increases your elasticity. We also add in aloe vera so that we're moisturising and regenerating the cells at the same time. And again, it's in a base of organic rose water.